Let's make these incredible bacon wrapped fondant potatoes. Let's go. You want to take some potatoes and you want to cut off the bottom and the top, just slice off the sides until you're left with these circular potatoes. Take a piece of bacon, wrap it around the outside. A tablespoon or two of olive oil. You're going to set your potatoes flat side down. Cooking over high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until the bottom side is nice and brown. Once they're brown on the one side, you want to turn the heat down to medium and flip them. After 5 or 6 minutes, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, a couple sprigs of rosemary and thyme, some salt and pepper, and a cup of chicken broth. Cover and into a 400-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Hope those look incredible. Let's give them a try. Just say goodbye to bland food. Hello to good food. Woo!